Baik, di sini balik lagi bersama saya Hamsen Rambe. Oke, kita akan mencoba-coba bagaimana menggunakan Microsoft Word dengan gampang.
At night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong.
Jangan lupa teman-teman pilih order. Nah, di order ini kita ubah menjadi koma. Jangan lupa di sini diubah menjadi koma agar bisa menjadi kolom dengan rapi. Nah, setelah itu kita ubah koma, lalu pilih OK. Nah, hasilnya seperti ini. Dia sudah menjadi sebuah kolom yang tersusun rapi tanpa harus membuat kolom satu-satu lagi.